10th problem. In this figure, AB is equal to AC. We have to prove that BQ is equal to CQ. BQ is equal to CQ. AB is equal to AC given. Now AB is equal to what? It is AP plus BP. AB is equal to AP plus BP. AC is equal to AR plus CR. AR plus CR. AP is equal to AR and BP is equal to BQ. AP is equal to AR and BP is equal to BQ. AR plus CR is equal to CQ. So instead of CR, I'll write CQ. AR goes off. BQ is equal to CQ. Proved. Eleventh problem. Radii of two circles are 6.3 and 3.6 centimeter. State the distance between their centers if they touch each other externally and if they touch each other internally. The distance between the centers of the two circles is equal to what? R1 plus R2 when they touch each other externally. 6.3 centimeter plus 3.6 centimeter is equal to 9.9 centimeter. When they touch each other internally, suppose this is the center of the bigger circle, this is the center of the smaller circle, then the radius of the bigger circle is equal to R1, radius of the smaller circle is equal to R2. Then the distance between the centers is equal to what? This distance is equal to R1 minus R2. 6.3 minus 3.6, 2.7 centimeter. Problem. From a point P outside a circle with center O, tangents PA and PB, PA and PB are drawn. Prove that angle AOP, this angle, is equal to angle BOP. If this is the center, angle BOP. Angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. OP is the bisector of chord AB. Let OP intersect AB at X. We have to prove that AX is equal to BX. Now in triangle OAP and triangle OBP, PA is equal to PB. Tangents from a point to the circle are equal. OA is equal to OB. Radii of this circle are equal. OP is the common side. Therefore, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. S postulate. Therefore, angle AOP is equal to angle BOP, CPCTC. Now we have to prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now in triangle OXA and triangle OXB, we have proved that angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. That means angle AOX is equal to angle BOX. OA is equal to OB, radii of the circle. OX is common to both the triangles. Therefore, triangle OAX is congruent to triangle OBX. Side, angle, side postulate, SAS. Therefore, AX is equal to BX. That means OP bisects AB. Now we have to prove that it is perpendicular. Now angle OXA is equal to angle OXB, CPCTC. But they are adjacent angles. Angle OXA and angle OXB make a linear pair. Therefore, angle OXA plus angle OXB is equal to 180. Therefore, angle OXA is equal to 90 degree and angle OXB is equal to 90 degree. That means OP is perpendicular. OP bisects AB and OP is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, OP is the perpendicular bisector of chord AB. 13th problem. In this figure, two circles touch each other externally at point P. A, B is the direct common tangent of these two circles. We have to prove that tangent at point P bisects AB. Tangent here. Let this tangent be QP. We have to prove that tangent QP bisects AB. That means AQ is equal to BQ. And then we have to prove that angle APB is equal to 90 degree. From point Q, QA and QP are the tangents to circle with center O. Therefore, QA is equal to QP. Now, QP and QB are the tangents from point Q to the circle with center O dash. Therefore, QP is equal to QB. QP is equal to QB. Now, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Therefore, QA is equal to QB. QA is equal to QB means the tangent QP bisects AB. Now we have to prove that angle APB is equal to 90 degree. Now in triangle AQP, since QA is equal to QP, angles opposite equal sides are equal. Therefore, angle QAP and QPA are equal. Let them be x and x. Similarly, in triangle QPB, QP is equal to QB. Angles opposite equal sides are equal. Let them be y and y. Angle QPB is equal to angle QBP. Let them be y and y. In triangle APB, angle APB plus angle PAB plus angle PBA is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle APB is equal to x plus y. Angle PAB is equal to x. Angle PBA is equal to y is equal to 180. 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 90. X plus y is equal to what? X plus y is angle APB. Therefore, angle APB is equal to 90 degree. 14th problem. Tangents AP and AQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an exterior point A. Prove that angle PAQ is equal to 2 angle OPQ. Now in triangle POQ, OP is equal to OQ, radii of this circle. Angles opposite equal, sides are equal. Therefore, angle OPQ is equal to angle OQP. Let them be x and x. Angle POQ plus angle OPQ plus angle OQP is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Therefore, angle POQ is equal to 180 minus 2x. AP is the tangent, OP is the radius. Therefore, angle OPA is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, here angle OQA is equal to 90 degree. In quadrilateral OPAQ, angle POQ plus angle OPA plus angle PAQ plus angle OQA is equal to 360 degree. sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now OPA is equal to 90 degree and OQA is equal to 90 degree. Angle POQ is equal to what? Angle POQ is equal to 180 minus 2x. 180 minus 2x. Angle PAQ therefore angle PAQ is equal to 360 minus 180 plus 90 plus 90 is equal to what? 360. 360 when it is transposed to the right it becomes minus 360. Minus 2x becomes plus 2x. 360 goes off. Angle PAQ is equal to 2x. X is equal to what? Angle OPQ. X is equal to angle OPQ. 2 into angle OPQ. Proved.